Today we'll talk about how can you add two-step verification on your FxPro app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on more down here, and just click here on more. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, just click here on security settings. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to next step here. So then you just click here on two-step verification, click here on turn on. So then it's going to turn on with you here. So step verification like you see on your app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.